Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to say excuse me in Turkish. Before we get started, if you want to hear more from me, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated. Are you ready? So let's get started. Our first word is özür dilerim. Özür dilerim, which means I'm sorry, and it's a common way to say I'm sorry. Our second word is affedersiniz. Affedersiniz, which means excuse me. It's formal and it's used when you want to ask something from someone you don't know. And affedersin is informal and singular form of affedersiniz, and it's used when you want to ask something from someone you know. And here we've got kusura bakmayın. Kusura bakmayın, which means no offense or don't get me wrong. And the singular and informal form of kusura bakmayın is kusura bakma. Kusura bakma. And here we've got üzgünüm. Üzgünüm. When you do something wrong to someone or make someone unpleased, you can use üzgünüm, which means I'm sad and I'm regretful, but it means sorry as well. And here we've got bilerek yapmadım. Bilerek yapmadım, which means I didn't do it on purpose. Well, I know it's not a way to say I'm sorry, but you can convey what you mean to your audience. And here we've got pardon. Pardon, which means pardon. And we use pardon when we hit someone accidentally or when we want to ask something from someone. And here we've got some examples. For example, geç kaldığım için özür dilerim. Geç kaldığım için özür dilerim, which means I'm sorry for being late. And kusura bakmayın, geç kaldım. Kusura bakmayın, geç kaldım, which means no offense or don't get me wrong, I'm late. And pardon, bu kelimenin anlamını bilmiyorum. Pardon, bu kelimenin anlamını bilmiyorum. And it means pardon, I don't know the meaning of this word. And here we've got affedersiniz. Bu kelimenin anlamını bilmiyorum. Affedersiniz. Bu kelimenin anlamını bilmiyorum, which means excuse me, I don't know the meaning of this word. And here we've got bilerek yapmadım. Seni gerçekten görmedim. Bilerek yapmadım. Seni gerçekten görmedim, which means I didn't do it on purpose. I really didn't see you. And here we've got üzgünüm. Seni gerçekten görmedim. Üzgünüm. Seni gerçekten görmedim. And it means I'm sorry and I'm regretful. I really didn't see you.